This is a brief overview of the Compass mobile device. And you log into the system using your crew member name or payroll number, and then the system retrieves the information that's relevant to your role, gets any notices, work detail, etc. In this case it's recognised me as a driver, and I've been presented with my duty card stroke crew diagram work detail for the day. I'm then presented with any advisory notices, information relevant to the job I need to do for the day, and I can click on these and I can see the information and detail. These are then time-stamped and marked as red, so that back at control you have confidence the information has been received. I'm now logged into the system. I've seen the information. There might be some activities and actions that I need to complete, so I need to sign on. And then as a driver I also am able to be presented with, I'll just start the demonstration, a schedule adherence monitor. Essentially the small bar indicated here is the schedule itself, and this is fixed, so this will start to move because that is the schedule and that's the time it should have departed. It's currently showing red because the schedule has started, and as a trainer and driver I haven't left the station, so I'm running behind the service currently. It will remain red until I catch up with the service, at which point then it will go green to say that I'm on track. The idea being is that you provide information to the driver, promotes better punctuality, and overall energy efficiencies can be achieved. If I start to go too far ahead against a service, then again it can be configured to change colour to avoid early running and late running. The other key feature is that we give the ability to do dynamic reporting by clicking on the report button. I then have the ability, using one button pressing, that I can record information as we go along. So as I might be held at a red signal as a driver, and I just have to press the button once and click submit. We don't require any further input or keystrokes because the system is context aware. We know who the driver is, we know where they are, we know what service, we know the time, we know location, so all that information will be retrieved, dynamically recorded onto the system. As a driver, certain parts of the system are then disabled when you're in motion, to avoid that distraction. But should I come to the end of the service when I am stationary, I can then go back in and view the reports that I've submitted. You can see the one that I recorded previously, and I can click on that and enter, and I can update information against that and start to record information there. Any information that is recorded into the system, such as a delay information, an incident, the system will then dynamically reconcile that with any trust data that came into the system. Again, because we know where, the who, and the what time and the place, as the trust data comes into the Compass system, we would then reconcile that and you would have a dynamic delay attribution. It doesn't have to be in the case that you have the schedule adherence monitor on every occasion. It could be that you're a train guard, station member, and you might just want to record certain information against some passenger information. And this would be, there's a passenger delay at the station. You have then the ability to enter any comments, and it might be that there was a disabled passenger, and you would start to put that information into the system. Record that and submit that. Again, with the context aware element, we would know where the station, who the individual was, and try and attribute as much information in the back system as possible. I complete my shift, I log out of the system. So the system is designed to provide schedule adherence information to drivers, promoting better energy efficiency and improved punctuality. It enables anybody that's field based to start to record dynamic incident and information. We then retrieve that into the back office, into Compass, and then wherever possible provide automation and pass through information to the relevant departments.